Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Traveling abroad or staying in a hotel for work, knowing how to speak English at a hotel is super helpful. In this video, you will learn how to check in, ask questions, and handle situations confidently at any hotel. Let's begin. Part 1 Key Vocabulary. Let's learn some important hotel related words. Reservation, receptionist, room service, ID or passport, single room, double room, check-in, check-out. Repeat after me to improve your vocabulary. Part 2 Useful phrases. Here are useful phrases when you arrive at a hotel. I have a reservations under the name Shah. I would like to check in, please. Could I see the room first? Do you offer free breakfast? What time is checkout? Try saying each line with me. Part 3 Real dialogue role play. Receptionist. Good evening, welcome to Grand Stay Hotel. Guest. Thank you, I have a reservation under the name Shah. Receptionist. Yes, I see it. May I see your passport, please? Guest. Sure, here it is. Receptionist. You have booked a double room for 2 nights, right? Guest. That's right. Does it include breakfast? Receptionist. Yes, breakfast is complimentary. Here your room key. Guest. Thank you very much. Part 4 Pronunciation Practice. Let's pronounce some key terms. Reservation, check-in, receptionist, complimentary breakfast, room key. Repeat slowly and clearly with me. Part 5 Common mistakes to avoid. Be careful not to make these mistakes. Don't say I want room, say I'd like to book a room. Don't say give me a key, say could I have the room key please. Don't say I go now, say I am checking out now. Part 6 Great job, you have learned how to book a hotel room, talk to the receptionist, use polite and confident English while traveling. Now tell us in the comments, have you ever stayed at a hotel? Subscribe for next video. Thank you very much.